Hi guys, so today's vlog I'm gonna unbox my presents. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this. I got this my Christmas gift, ayan, from Krista. It's a lip glow color reviver balm. Look. Yan. And then it's Dior. Yan. Here you go. What is this? Dior Addict Lip Glow. Ayan guys. Yan. Yan. Klaro ba? Yeah, that's all. Let's see here. Let's try this guys. Ayan. Naka-lipstick na ako guys kasi we went to restaurant because I have the matte lipstick and then I just put this moisturizer lip balm. Thank you. Thank you, Krista. Bye.